Hello, in this video you will learn how to work with button controls in Spark Forms Builder for SharePoint and Office 365. We will explain how to create a submit button to save a form, and how to create an alert and redirect buttons easily with Spark Forms Builder. Let's add these buttons to this registration form. From the list at the top, click on Spark Forms Builder to open the canvas to design the form. As you see here, I've previously designed this form. We are going to add submit, alert, and redirect buttons together for this form. If you are interested in how to customize the design for the form in detail, you can watch the tutorial video listed in the description below. When the user fills the form, we want to save these data in the list. Spark Forms Builder provides a special function for the submit form. This function is ready to use to save the form in a list or library, without the need to do anything else or to write any code. Let's add the button to save the form. From the Toolbox panel, drag and drop the button control. Modify the control properties. Enter the control ID button submit. Enter the control caption submit. OK, after adding the button control, we are going to add the function save form to save the form. To add this function we have to add a rule first. Select the button control. Then, from the top ribbon, click on the control rules. Create a new rule. Modify the rule name. Select rule type action. And apply the rule on click. In the action text box, we are going to add the save form function. From the right panels under Functions, Spark Forms provide 100 built-in functions. At the search box type Save Form. And here it is. You can have more details about the function from here. To add the function, click on the plus icon. Then click Save. Let's now publish the form, and see how it works. Let's get back to our list. Click on New. Let's enter the data quickly. And then click on Submit. As we see here, the data have been stored in the list. In some cases, we want to show an alert for the users, to inform them of the last updates. So the alert is used when you want the information to come through to the user. In our case here, one of the services is not valid. So, the alert will show up if the user selects this service. We are going to add the next button that has an alert. From the Toolbox panel, drag and drop the button control. Modify the control properties. OK, after adding the button control, we are going to add the conditions and the alert message. Select the button control. Then click on the control rules. Create a new rule. This is the condition to check if the services is not valid. In the action text box, we are going to type the following script. Type the message that you want to show an alert. Then click Save. Let's now publish the form, and see how it works. Back to our list. Add a new form. Let's click on Next. As we see here, the alert message appear here. You may want to add a button to your form to redirect the form page to the source or any page. Let's add the redirect button. Drag and drop the button control. Modify the control properties. Enter the control tooltip, back to Home. Now we are going to add a background image for the button. OK, after adding the button control, we are going to add the script to redirect the form page to the home page. Select the button control. Then click on the control rules. Create a new rule. In the action text box, we are going to type the following script. Type the page URL. Then click Save. Now publish the form, and see how it works. Back to our list. Add a new form. Let's click on Home button. As we see here, the home page is open. In this video, we saw how to work with button control in Spark Forms Builder. Follow us to learn more about advances used for SharePoint and Spark Forms. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and if you have a comment, please write it down. Thank you.